Namaskar.
Hi, I'm Siddhant.
Hi, my name is Anuj Gosalia. From writing SMSs for 100 rupees for my friends to co-founding Terribly Tiny Tales, it's been a long, amazing ride, and I'm here to share my journey.
This is my story, right from writing poems at the back bench of a classroom to writing Dangal.
That is why I think you need the course, because this is, I think, full of perspective more than anything else.
There are so many characters out there. Like for example, just a character of a guy who's come from UP but feels the need to talk in English every now and then could be a character.
Think of the first idea that comes in your mind. You write it on a piece of paper, right? Then you tear the paper and throw it.
It's funny because I have a post where I wrote about something similar, which says, despite self-doubt, move.
A story that I find worth telling or writing or approaching. One is the conflict.
That there's a 30-year-old man who's walking out of a store with 2 bags. You should be able to figure out, okay, is he happy in his married life? Does he have 1 kid or 2 kids? Does he like his kids?